All right. Oh, wait. Oh, now I can really hear it this time. Let's try red.
Look at mine, it's big.
Can I try?
Oh, of course. Here you go. It's yellow. And then you can put whatever space you want. Oh, now I can really hear it bubble.
Where's purple?
Oh, sadly, sorry, there's a green. We actually didn't want purple. It's okay, now put it in. I'll put it in whatever space you'd like.
I'm doing so big. I'm doing so.
Wait, focus on this thing. Oh wow, you almost be smart.
Oh, can I do a mix of two kinds of colors?
Okay. Oh wait. Look, can I see what you can do? You can do in this little red spot. I can add some blue to make it purple.
No, I don't want.
It's okay. So look, now I'll let you put it in.
Wait, blue and orange make purple?
No. Wait, I know it does look. You know what? This is not red. It kind of looks orange on the baking soda, but that one is red food coloring.
Then I'll do yellow.
You can also try mixing up colors. It's okay.
I'm doing 3 colors.
Yellow and blue. Actually, makes green. You can make it green.
Yeah, I'm doing green now.
Alright.
How about I do green again, but it's dark green. I'm doing dark green now.
Oh, that's really cool. Oh, you're doing blue drop. Oh, look at this one.
Whoa.
It kind of looks like a rainbow. It kind of looks like a rainbow circle. Wait. Can I try something? Maybe no, can I?
Oh, look, it's like a mountain. Where's mine?
There's mine. Look, you can do blue drop.
No, I know what I want to do. I totally know what I want to do.
It's blue.
I mean,
This looks like a masterpiece. Looks like a beautiful painting.
I'm doing
Oh, we should have like drawn real stuff on it. That would have been cool.
Oh, that's cool. You went through.
Wait, no. Wait. Who wants blue? Who wants blue?
Oh, I'll take the blue.
And then when you're done, give me it.
Okay.
Cause I'm doing.
Well, wait. I have an idea. Wait, I'm gonna take some blue then.
Wait, actually, I need
Oh
that.
wait. Well, actually, I'm gonna
I
take
need
the
that really
blue.
quick.
And red. Look, I blue and red together.
And it makes a really cool color. Which made purple?
Oh,
Wait, can I see
Wait,
it?
which colors made
it?
which?
Can I see it?
Wait, when we add blue and red, look, I think
Can I see
anytime.
it now?
There you go. It's not.
Oh,
I know. It kind of looks orange in the on the baking soda, but that one is red for coloring. What are you doing? This looks like I want to go find some more pipets so I can make one.
I need more blue. Hey! Oh!
Guys, stop shooting. Mary.
Mine.
Okay, sorry.
I found a soda pipet. I don't know where it was, but I found it somewhere.
Hey.
Look, now it's got some.
No, I have to
Look,
bake tonight.
look.
Get it ready.
Look at this. Look at this. I have yellow in here, and I want to see what happens if I add in this.
No, Elizabeth might be there. Actually, it's pretty additional.
Oh look! Oh, I just added blue into green, and it made like a lime green.
I can't talk right now, but I'll call you later.
Now let's see what happens if I take some of this and put it in this. I'm gonna put it in the red, and I'm gonna put it in this green.
Dot, 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 dot,
You know, look what you can do. You can do yellow drop, yellow drop, yellow drop, yellow drop, yellow drop, yellow drop. I have an idea.
This like looks horrible. There's no red, so I'm just gonna make it.
I want to do red. I'm just gonna. Wait!
You know what? I have a great idea that we can do. We can now.
I'm just making a hole with this.
Let's have an idea. Even though you can't see what you're doing, but what about
I'm just gonna make a hole, and then I'm gonna put
what
a
if we
color in
add?
it.
Okay, now let's add the bottles in here. Watch where your head. Look, watch your head, because look what's here.
What?
Okay. Now we need to add the baking soda to that. And then,
Yes!
wait, what happened?
Let's make more baking soda.
I'm gonna add some more baking.
Can I?
Oh, yeah, maybe. Of course, you can add some.
Wait, may I add some?
Of course, but wait. Okay, yeah. Make sure you get to the hole. Wait. I need to add
Can I
more.
add some?
Okay, wait. Before do it in on the tray first, cause I'm gonna add.
Why can't I do it on this one?
Wait. Just wait. We need to make sure until all these bottles are filled with the baking soda.
It got on my hand. What do I do?
Oh, it's okay. Just here. Here, I know what. Here, this is what I do. Just get the cloth.
That's a ton.
It's okay. Now I'm gonna. Oh, I guess I'm on my hand too. Wait. No, we can't just put it back. You should just leave it.
Can I add some now?
Oh, I have an idea. Wait.
Can I add some? Whoa, look. I'm gonna add red.
Well, I think I may have had too much.
Look, there's brown.
Oh, wow. Here, add some in there. Even though you might notice that there's dust flying.
When can we?
Yes.
When can we? Can I put some in that?
And of course, I'll always let you.
So it explodes in that.
Oh no.
Do you want me to fill up some of these things? 'Cause some of them are running out. Wait, did we do yellow?
I don't know. We didn't know.
Yes.
Yes, we do, yo.
Yeah, and then it turned into green. So I'm
Here's what I'm gonna do. You're gonna love this. Where is my lemon juice? Here we go. Now I have other liquids too. I have lemon juice and lime juice. Here, you know what? Here.
Wait, can I pour some in?
Oh, wait. You know what? Wait. Excuse me.
Where do I?
oh, this is yellow.
This is hot tub. Wait, I have one of these and they're already open. Ooh. I have one that is already open.
I just had a great
Look,
idea. Make a little hole. Then
Wait,
put
let's-
some.
Guys, look at this.
It exploded on me.
Whoa! Look at that.
It exploded on me.
Oh, that's too much alcohol.
It's okay.
No, it's not.
Wait a minute. Hold, that's.
It's okay.
It's
I just
okay.
want to use all the lemon
Wait
juice
on
the first time.
me.
What?
But
Wait on me.
we have a lot of it.
I know, but you don't want to waste it, especially if you didn't ask me first. I need you guys to listen up.
Oh, great. I need to put
It's okay. I still have.
Alejandro, you got it on my head right here.
Is it?
Look, you see all of the baking powder down in there? It isn't even activated at all yet.
It's okay. Cause I can add. Well, here I'll add the rest of the vinegar in here.
Excuse me, Jamal.
Huh. Wait. If I look, need you. Let's add.
Look at that blue.
Now, nice. Now let's add some more. So I'm just gonna add some more explosion liquid with our little colors to make it.
No more. Okay.
It's
All right.
just,
Hold on. Switch over.
it's for it to.
Don't get it on the.
It's for it to explode even more. Yeah, it's fine. Oh yeah. I'm just filling it up with some more. Here you go. I'm adding more exploding liquid, so I'm just filling up these last.
I'm just gonna keep doing blue and see what happens.
I keep doing blue and see. Okay, now I'm gonna add some yellow. It says and lime juice. Oh wow! Look at this. Did you know my?
Where's mine?
It exploded on me.
Whoa! Look at that.
It exploded on me.
Oh, that's too much Alejandro.
It's okay. It's okay.
No, it's not.
Wait a minute. Hold. That's.
It's okay. I
Okay.
just want to use all the lemon juice the first time.
Me.
What?
But we have a lot of it.
I know, but you don't want to waste it, especially if you didn't ask me first. I need you guys to listen up.
Oh, great. I need to put
It's okay. I still have.
Alejandro, you got it on my head right here.
I'm gonna check the time quickly.
Wait, watch this.
I'm going to the oven to check the time. It's 5:15.
We watch this.
Yeah, let's do 15 more minutes of this.
Can I say something?
Oh no! Look, no! You should, cause if you do it, then I have to refill it.
I'm not doing
Oh, okay, now I'm doing
It'll go on my finger and it's staying there.
Ooh. I'm just refilling these. Just excuse me to refill these.
Come on, it's not coming off.
That won't come off. That's the glue guy.
This looks like a masterpiece.
It'll stay there for the rest of my life.
Probably for a while.
Okay, wait, let's put some more in here.
You should get the thing.
Oh yeah, the funnel thing. Wait, can you give me the funnel?
Yeah.
The funnel. Oh, it's okay, it's right here.
Seems like this won't come off for like a year. It actually did kind of come off.
Yeah, but you have to wait 30 minutes for it to come off.
3 minutes.
30 minutes.
3?
Yeah, only 30 minutes.
And it'll come off.
It'll come up off of
Wow,
them.
wow, 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 wow.
Wait, now let's add lime juice in here.
Can I take a picture? Can I take a
Oh,
picture?
it's okay, it's okay.
Can I take this?
Oh, wait, it's okay, sorry. I didn't mean to do that. We need to, we need to wipe out the floor. I didn't mean to do that, it's okay, but now we need to wipe out the floor.
Oh, what's the fun?
Luke,
I'm just looking at it.
let's add this cake after dessert,
I
okay?
know, I'm just looking at it.
Okay.
I just want it.
The video's not here,
It looks so delicious.
where's the look? You know what? We need to make sure that we leave this vinegar container. Oh, we need to make sure we have to leave this vinegar container closed. So when we're not using it, we don't spill it. So the vinegar is really important. Oh, that's a really good idea. Oh wait, I have an idea. Look at this. I want to add. Excuse me. Whoa! Look at that.
Me.
Well, it's
Remember what I said about the vinegar?
it's okay. It's okay.
Because I said no, so that means it's not okay.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna put it into. I'm gonna put it in the measuring cup.
No, you already used enough measuring cups that we're gonna have to wash. I don't want you to put it in anything else, okay? We're done with the vinegar.
Okay. Let me find.
I made a snowman. Whoa.
Okay.
I made a snowman.
Alejandro, no.
Yes.
What did I say?
Alright. I'll put this top back on.
Oh, Hunter, come look at my snowman. Out of bean bags. And it's blue.
I mean, the vinegar won't spill at all.
It's not about that. It's that we already used. Look at how much we used in that tray. Like a lot.
I know, but like my mom and dad said like it's okay. It's like, I mean, we only have like 3 bags of it.
So let's finish. Like do some stuff in there with all the baking soda, and then we'll use more vinegar.
So like when they ran out, I could use this to refill them.
Like look.
Look, if any of these cups ran out, I can just use this thing.
Right, but only use these cups right now. You know what you should do right now is look. There's so much waste going on right now. Because these are sitting here.
It's okay. No.
Here's the funny thing. This is actually going to stain the counter. So.
Oh.
Nope, that'll stain the cloth more.
It's okay.
No, I don't want to stain the cloth.
Oh, okay. Well, I have an idea. Let's do it in a test tube. A test. about to open.
Nope, don't open anything else right now, Alejandro.
I'm just. Oh, I'm
Let's
not
just
What
wait.
about if we open up the bin? Is the balloon okay? If I put it.
Dump everything out and let's just stir it all.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Wait, it's running out of baking soda. Oh, wait.
Nope, no it's not. We have to just stir it.
It doesn't look like there's any more.
Don't put any more in. We don't need any more ingredients. We just need to mix it.
But I.
Please just for 2 seconds.
Like, and if we look how much baking soda is right here. It's like a mound of baking soda right
Yeah,
here.
I think put that back.
So
Put
if
that
we
back.
mix
Sorry.
this in,
That's fine. But what about if we? What about if we fill this thing up with love? You're wondering why? Like you're wondering? Oh, it's okay.
Are we done with these?
Well, I think we should refill them because I have.
No, we don't need to refill these.
I mean, if they run out, or if they're running close to running out, we can refill them.
Right, but they're not. They've still got more than half.
If they start to run out, just let me know, and
I will let you know.
then I'll refill. It doesn't. Oh wait, the baking soda's all the way at the bottom.
no, yeah, it's all the way at the bottom, and there's a ton at the bottom.
You guys should get a whisk to stir it.
Oh. We already
Alejandro, look at it.
What is it?
It's a snowman made of blue. Where are the wizards? Look at it. Alejandro.
Nice. Wait. Where is from? What is it?
Where is the whisk?
The whisk. Oh. Okay. I know. Look at this. Someone here. Here it is. Here's the whisk.
See, look how much baking soda that is.
Yeah. Wait. First, I need to test it.
It's over here.
It's not really fizzing. Oh, I've done this thing before. When I add the baking soda, which I just a little bit more. Uh-oh. Wait, can you whisk that for me? Thank you. It's okay. It's running out. Hang on. I do have more boxes. Look at how.
No more baking soda.
But look, you're wondering why? Because this one's all.
But then you guys are gonna run out of baking soda. Next time you guys need actual baking soda. You're not gonna have it for cooking.
These are not for cooking. These are used for the experiment. These are not used.
No, the little boxes.
What are you talking about? My mom said because my mom said that these are used. These are not used for cooking. These are used for the experiment only. But the bag, yes.
You can use one box and that's it, okay? Just one to make it last, right? Don't pour it all in at once.
There's a ton of baking soda. And do we have to pour more in?
I literally found the record box.